Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am making a custom soap for a client, and I'm making a total of 1 kg of black soap. I think it's a little over 1 kg. I am making about 1 kg and then 250 grams of soap. So I am going to show you guys how I make this soap. I'm going to do a little explanation. So first of all, I am going to grate my black soap. This is the raw black soap. I'm going to grate this, and I'm also going to grate my ozone soap, and I'll melt this with honey. Now the amount of honey I used was a very little amount of honey because the client wanted the soap to be very thick. Yeah, as you can see, I just blended my pink ozone soap and I blended my yellow, or I don't know if I should call this the orange ozone soap, and I'm adding a very little amount of honey. The more honey you add, the more pasty it is going to look. And now I am mixing up all my natural herbal powders. All the powders in this bowl are natural herbal powders: turmeric, sandalwood, carrot powder, orange peel powder, and camwood powder, and all that. They are all natural, 100% natural powders. So I am mixing them up together, and I am also going to mix all my water soluble active powders in one bowl. Now this consists of niacinamide and bearberry powder. So I am mixing this up together, and I am also going to mix my kojic dipermetate in a separate bowl, and I'm also going to mix my white licorice in a different bowl because they all have different solubility. This is my kojic dip, so everything has different solubility. That's why I'm mixing them separately. Some are oil soluble, some are water soluble, while some can only dissolve in glycerin or alcohol. Now this is my soap completely melted. I've not added any ingredients into it. This is just the black soap and the ozone soap completely melted with honey. There is no single water in this. I only used the honey to melt it. Now if you want to add another liquid to this, you can use hydrosols, or you can also use aloe vera gel or distilled water. Do not use normal water for this. So if you are interested to attend my full black soap masterclass, you can go ahead and click the link in the description box to attend my class. And if you want to order this soap, there is also a link in the description box to order yours. So this is what my soap looks like when it has cooled down. You don't want to add your ingredients when the soap is still hot. So it has cooled down, and I am going to add all my ingredients together and mix this properly before I scoop this into the jar that I'm supposed to use and send to my customers.